Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to design your Zoho Desk ticket layout. This is incredibly useful if you want to customize how your support tickets are organized and displayed, making it easier to manage customer inquiries efficiently. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you need to go to Zoho Desk and log in to your Zoho account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Zoho Desk dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all customer support activities. From here, take a moment to locate the Tickets module, which you'll find at the top part of your screen. The Tickets module is where all your customer queries and support requests are stored and managed, so clicking on it will take you directly into the heart of your support system. Once you're in the Tickets section, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the tickets currently under your Zoho Desk account. This list gives you an overview of every support request, whether it's open, pending, or resolved. To move forward with customizing your layout, go ahead and click on any ticket from this list. This step allows you to access the layout customization options, so choose any ticket that's convenient for you to proceed. Now, here's where the layout design comes into play. Once you've opened a ticket, you'll notice the screen is divided into three distinct parts. The largest section is your editor, where you can type responses and manage the ticket details. Next to it, you'll see the Ticket Properties panel, which displays important information about the ticket itself. To change the display layout of your tickets, look for the All Tickets drop-down menu. Click on it and you'll see various layout category options that allow you to organize how your tickets appear on the screen. This customization helps you focus on what matters most in your workflow. Additionally, under the All Views drop-down, you have even more control over what gets displayed. You can select which status and type of tickets you wish to see, filtering out unnecessary information and streamlining your view. This is particularly helpful when you're dealing with high volumes of tickets and need to focus on specific categories like urgent requests or pending issues. If none of the existing views match your needs, you also have the option to click on Add Custom View. This feature lets you create a completely personalized layout tailored to your specific workflow requirements, giving you ultimate flexibility in managing your support tickets. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Zoho Desk ticket layout to match your preferences and workflow needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.